A1 English listening. Describing objects.
Hey, I'm Yuki. Today, we're going to practice describing objects. First, this is my purse. It's big and beige. It's made of leather. Now, let's see what is in my bag. This is my lipstick. It's small and red. It's made of plastic. This is my phone. It's small, blue, and rectangular. It's made of glass and metal. This is my mirror. It's small and round. It's made of glass and metal. These are my keys. They're small and grey. They're made of metal. This is my wallet. It's small, square, and brown. It's made of leather. Those are some of the objects in my purse. Now, it's your turn. What's in your purse or bag? What color and shape are the objects? What are they made of?